Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add categories and tags for WordPress pages. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to plugins and add a new plugin, and in feature plugins you want to write categories for pages. And you're gonna see this one here, the create and assign categories for pages. You can choose this one or this one here. Nice, activate it. Okay, and now when I'm going to click to pages, we see here the categories and tags, and you can just edit it, and you get like categories here that you can like add here, and also the tags. And also when I'm going to click here to categories, I can just create a new one if you want, add a new category or add the tags. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and it's nothing really hard. So this is how you can do it. And right before it, when I'm going to delete the plugin, see, we don't see it here. It's not here. So you need that plugin to successfully employ and deploy the categories and tags for WordPress pages. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.